Hey, it's Ty with Credit Suite, and in this business credit funding tip, I'm going to teach you how to get business credit without affecting your personal credit quality or your consumer credit. So 10% of your consumer credit score is based on what's called inquiries. This is basically the amount of new credit you're applying for. So if you're using your personal credit to apply for business loans and business credit cards, well, then your scores are going to go down as a result of you adding these inquiries to your consumer credit report. Plus, those inquiries can remain on your credit for an extended period of time, years, affecting your ability to borrow more money. As a matter of fact, there's a lot of lenders in the business lending space who will not even approve you if you have more than a handful of inquiries on your credit report in the last 6 months. So if you're trying to put inquiries on your consumer credit reports to get business credit cards, then you also are ruining your ability to get other kind of business loans and credit lines. Now, some unsecured business lending sources, as I mentioned, are not going to lend you money if you have too many inquiries. So by adding these inquiries on your credit report, you're damaging your scores and you're making it more difficult for you to obtain the funding you do need. Now, also 30% of your consumer credit score is based on utilization. So if you're using your personal credit cards for your business, then if those cards get higher limits or higher balances on them, that could really lower your score. Now, using more than 30% of the limit of the card will really result in a score decrease. It can decrease your consumer credit scores by over 100 points or even higher. So if your limit's $1,000, for example, on your credit card, if you have a balance above $300, that could dramatically lower your consumer credit score. So when we look at inquiries being 10% of your score and 30% being utilization, well, this means 40% of your total score is damaged just by you trying to apply and use your consumer credit to be able to fund your business. I see this happen all the time. Business owners use consumer credit cards to fund the startup of their business. They quickly get overwhelmed. Expenses are more than they thought they would. They push the balances too high, then they ruin their ability to use their credit to get other kind of loans and credit lines they could have gotten approved for. So these are things you want to avoid. Now, again, consumer credit scores are based on payment history, utilization, length of credit history, accumulation of new credit, credit mix, these 5 factors. So they're very tough to control, but business credit scores are only based on how you pay your bills. So all we need to do is make sure that you're getting credit for your business, following our free 4-step guide at creditsuite.com/tips to get high limit business credit cards without needing your personal social security number, without needing a personal guarantee. This way, there are no inquiries on your consumer credit report as you're funding your business, and the credit that you're getting reports on your business credit reports, so it won't adversely affect your utilization or your ability to obtain other financing using your consumer credit to do so. So for more information on building your business credit, make sure you go check out our free 4-step guide at creditsuite.com/tips. Give us a ring at 877-600-2487 or visit us online at creditsuite.com to get even more information about building business credit for your EIN that's not linked to your personal social security number.